Hey, where's Grammy? Where's Grammy? Very good. Where's Grammy? Where's Grammy? Over here. That's Grandma Florida. That's Grandma Ramsey. Where's Grammy in Pennsylvania? That's Grammy and Grandpa. Very good. Where's Grandpa? Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? What you got there? A magnet? Where's Grandpa? Show me Grandpa. Go ahead. Where is he? Where's Grandpa? Very good.
That's right.
Very good.
Leave it on there. Okay.
That's Grandpa. Very good. Thank you. Let's leave him there. Oh, thank you, honey. Thank you. Thank you. Here, I'll take that. Okay, can you show me where Grammy is? Okay, is there a Grammy down here? Grandpa and Grammy. Is this Grammy? Look here. Is this Grammy? Grammy! That's you and Grammy. Yeah, very good. Give Grammy a kiss. Very good.